Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we want to find the value of x given that you have x raised to the power 6 equals x minus 2 all in bracket raised to the power 6. So guys, let's have it to the solution. So from here we have x raised to the power 6. Now by taking this one to this side, then we have it to be minus x minus 2 all raised to the power 6. Then we have everything to be equal 0. So let's have this x in form of x raised to the power 3, then all raised to the power 2 minus x minus 2 all raised to the power 3 again raised to the power 2 to be equals 0. So now guys, when you have this type of problem, we have to recall from difference of 2 squared, that says when you have a square minus b square, this equals when you have a plus b then multiply by a minus b. So from here, this simply implies that from here we have our a to be equals x raised to the power 3 and we have our b to be equals x minus 2 all raised to the power 3. So therefore, from here, when you substitute the value of our a, we have it to be s cube, then plus b, which equals x minus 2 all raised to the power 3. Then again multiply by our a is x cube minus b, which equals x minus 2 all raised to the power 3. So then we have the whole of this to be equals 0. So from here we have x raised to the power 3 plus x minus 2 all raised to the power 3. Then we have s cube minus x minus 2 raised to the power 3 to be equal 0. Now let us recall from when you have a cube plus b cube. So we usually have the whole of this to be equals a plus b all in bracket then multiply by a square minus ab plus b square. So we always have this to be equals this, and likewise we have when you have a cube minus b cube, we usually have this to be equals a minus b then multiply by a square so we usually have this to be a square minus plus ab plus b square. But from here, for this expression to be equals 0, I mean the right hand side, we can have is either we have s cube minus x minus 2 raised to the power 3 to be equal 0, or we have the whole of this here, s cube minus into x minus 2 raised to the power 3 to be equal 0. So if you want to solve for this first one, that this equals 0, let us apply this expression. So from here we have our a to be equals, from here we have our a to be equals x, then we have our b to be equals x minus 2. And so therefore guys, we have, by applying this formula, we have our a plus b will be x plus into x minus 2 then multiply by x square will be a square will be x square minus we have our a, which is x, then multiply by, then our b, which is x minus 2, plus our b square, which equals this. We have x minus 2 all in bracket, all raised to power 2. Then we have everything to be equal 0. So from here, we have x. When you open the bracket, you have it to be plus x minus 2. From here, when you open this one, also we have x squared. When you open this one, we have minus x squared. This time, this will give us plus 2. And likewise, when you expand this one, we have it to be x squared minus 2x plus 4. Then we have everything to be equal 0. So from here, we have this plus this will give us 2x minus 2. And this will take away this. Then we're going to have x squared. Then from here, we have minus 2x. This plus this will give us plus 6 equals 0. So from here, we can get 2x minus 2 to be equal 0, or we have x squared minus 2x plus 6 equals 0. So from here, we have 2x to be equals 2. By dividing both sides by 2, this will take away this. And so therefore, we have our x to be equals 1. We have it to be first solution. And secondly, we have this. We have x squared minus 2x plus 6 equals 0. So to get the value of x from here, we can use general formula as s equals minus b, then positive or negative. Then we have positive or negative. Then we have square root of b squared minus 4ac, then all divided by 2a. So from here we have our s to be equals, our b from here is minus 2, so we have here to be 2, then positive or negative. Square root of minus 2 square will give us 4 minus, then we have here to be 4 times our a is 1, 4 times 1, then our c is, so sorry, from here we're supposed to have, this time this will be x squared, this time this will be what? Minus plus x. And so therefore we have, then when you now open this one, we have this one to be plus 4x. So from here we have this one to be 4. Then we have this one to be 4 as well. So then we have here to be 4. So here will now be 4. So from here we have multiply by 4. Then all divided by 2 multiplied by 1. So we have the value of x to be equals 2, positive or negative, square root of 4 minus 16 divided by 2. And so therefore, guys, we have this one to be equals positive or negative, square root of 4 minus 16 will give us minus 12, then divided by this 2. So from here you have our s to be equals 2 divided by 2, this one divided by this, then positive or negative. When you take this one, we have, if it will be 2 root 3i divided by 2. So this will take away this. This also divided this. We have our s to be equals 1, then positive or negative root 3i. So we have to recall from here that we also have another solution. From here, we have that one to be x cube minus into x minus 2 raised to the power 3 to be equals 0. So when you solve this, you are going to get the value of x again to be equals 1 positive or negative root 3I divided by 3. So therefore, we can declare finally that we have our S1 to be equals 1 as the real solution, and we have our S2 to be equals 1 plus root 3I. Then we have our S3 to be equals 1 minus root 3I. Then we have our S4 to be equals 1 plus root 3I divided by 3. Then we have S5 to be equals 1 minus root 3I divided by 3. So if you are new here, once again, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more mathematics tutorial videos. Bye bye.